Hi, my name's Jessica Bull. I'm one of the medical estheticians and medical assistants here at Skin Envy, and I have my patient Shauna here today, and we're going to do a consult on some fillers and Botox. Shauna, what are some of the questions that I can answer for you today?
I feel like I'm starting to look tired, and I wondered if Botox or something else would help with that.
Sure, that's a very common question that we get asked, and patients feel like that a lot. There are different modalities that Botox and fillers touch on. Botox helps to calm muscle movement, and that's great when we start to see those static or ingrained lines that are there even when we don't make facial movement. A lot of times we treat here in the glabella, forehead, and then the crow's feet very often to help calm that muscle movement there. Now, filler is used when we start to see some volume loss. And I can see a little bit of that going on in the cheek right now. That's very common. That's part of the facial aging that we see. So sometimes you start to feel your eyes look a little bit more drawn and tired. A treatment that we do very, very often here is Radius to help volumize the cheek area, Sculptra as well. Both of those products are what we consider biostimulators. They help to stimulate collagen production, and that's something as we age slows down. So if we put a little bit of filler, Radius in particular, in that cheek, it would kind of help to lift some of this and also overall help the appearance of the eyes as well.
How long does something like that last, or how often would I need to come in for that?
Sure. Filler is typically, depending on placement, is about a once-a-year treatment. Unlike Botox or a neurotoxin, we do that every 3 to 4 months, basically. And the treatment is very comfortable and easy. We do put on a topical numbing agent 10 to 15 minutes before. There is lidocaine in the product as well. So we try to make it as comfortable and painless as possible. But typically, yes, that is about a once-a-year treatment. Anything we do around the mouth, in the lips, tends to not last quite as long, maybe 9 months. We move that area a lot more versus anything in the upper face.
With the filler, do you see the results right away, or does it take time?
Well, that's a great question, actually. Radius is a filler that you see immediately. We kind of say that's your instant gratification. Sculptra is a little bit different. Typically, we like to see you for a couple of sessions, and then we really start to see that collagen production at 6 and 8 weeks out. From the treatment. So that is a little bit different. So we can kind of customize the treatment depending on how severe the aging is or the concern is, and then how the patient wants to approach it. If they'd like to be a little bit more conservative, if that concern is constantly bothering them every single time they look in the mirror, sometimes a filler like a Radius is a great treatment because it takes care of that immediate concern.
So for under my eyes that look tired to me, that would be Radius?
Yes, because really, even though the focus is on the eyes, you started to lose some of the volume in the mid-cheek here. And that's where a lot of times that's what creates a youthful look on a person. So plumping up the cheek a bit and adding volume there actually can make the eyes look better.
How long can I expect to be at the office for the treatment?
About 30 to 45 minutes typically is treatment time. We like to have you come in, discuss what we're going to treat and the concern. From there, we'll add a topical numbing agent to make the treatment comfortable. We'll take some photos, have a conversation about everything, and then we'll start the treatment. But it's pretty quick and pretty comfortable overall.
How will I look afterwards? Can I go back to work and see people?
Yes, typically you don't look, there's not a lot of downtime, I should say, with filler. That's an immediate result. There might be some swelling or mild bruising associated with it, but a lot of times we have you ice immediately. We can even offer a Oxygenetics makeup that is a treatment-based product that we can use immediately post-procedure. as well. But yes, you should be able to return to normal activity.
Can
right
I
away.
exercise right afterwards?
Not right after. We do like to have you wait at least 24 hours after a filler treatment. Botox or any neurotoxin, we do have you wait 4 to 6 hours. We don't want you to lay flat. But as far as exercise, go right back to your regular routine after about 24 hours.